no wo ye de bi to wono mu a na chese Ghana de hia ya wo krasika wo ho no e na wo ho ebeka ensenseme mu eno enam sa yo so ntiro e kan ya banks ahodo no nyina bi ebuo mu ebi nso wo ho nso so a waka wonu makonwa ebutuye ne nyina se wagu no tintontan enya de ombetimi aye adwuma biem na wonu ma no mo krasika wo ho no ene ebesi ne ebi anuguma wo mo ye demonstration ebi akasa na wonu mo sudwetire ya wo boy egu aban so no enne aban no etie no wasopem ama na dodan kwa akufo ado wa hye yewura Dr. Mohammed Ami Adam ya wono eyesikasem so afo se wonhwe na 1.5 billion Ghana cedis wontimi fama wonu ma no okresika e wo sesika krabia na aban ekeka bibo mu na wogu bi no enso yewura Adam edin semi ekotu dwa wabra na wono eyeta ho meeting bi e wo UK abrochimemu yewura Adam nsem ya woda na edin sei ena na sitie.
The question on the money locked out, we are going to pay. I hear leader has engaged you. We are going to pay. We do not take responsibility as a government, because when people decide to invest in one bank or one instrument or another, government is not consulted. It is an individual decision. And when you are investing, you know that you can make your returns, you can also lose. Even us as a government, when we invest in Eurobonds, the market is volatile. We lose, we gain. And when we lose, we don't blame America or Britain for losing. We are advised before we invest. And so it is important for us to establish that foundation, that government will not be held responsible for the investment decisions of individuals. But this government is so caring. Mistakes were made. People were not well informed. Maybe they didn't know who to consult to be informed or advised. But we also know that the people who are affected are suffering. We heard that some people have died. Some people had to commit suicide. This government is so caring that in the first place, we granted some bailout to all the affected. And I want to tell you again that the president has directed that we do another bailout. So between now and October, we will release 1.5 billion Ghana cedis to the affected people. This will not pay the entire amount.
Ebusia enipa yete nenken Ghana sikasem so for yera Dr. Mohammed Ami Adam na ensem ni nyina da no medinkin aka cho say UK abrochimemo ene eta ho meeting ye course so Dr. Mahmoud Baumia wono so de nani ekire mu bi ne ho ene okoda sa ensem no edi na entity ya Sompa kasefo ye nya no ene sebra mapanyi abede eche Dr. Baumia wodru mu e wota ho meeting ase no ene Ghana fo no bi no mu a won sika sika krabia hodo ya ye kasa ebi egugu abanso aka bia bomu wonum esika kodi mu no yesi wo mu ye demonstration papa na wo mu so no num no ena sa aban no ete ne pampan yo so wote ne nka ne nam so nte no asem dai ebeto dwo ya ma ne boni ya woto nkra e wo UK ede ma yen ye ra Kingsley Brobe wone Sompa kasefo ebon komo ama enchemu ahodo ye esi ase no opanyin no ede ma ye say
NDC for the almost more demonstration, but to be very honest, nipa be say 15 maybe about 100, and almost say some more demonstrations say Galamsey or Ghana. But when you look at flyers and placards, how much people be soon could take time. And nipa no dear anymore youth organizer Freddie Nadine and Frederick on the dear anymore na just say almost more demonstration much and we are nipa be say we are more emphasis about 15 as a 10 bin about. But them do kakaka better. For them to even work from the on free buy back right now. Nah, I say we the idea in the police robber house of Pamona. MP from Penfold that we now. Now more kaka. Now this is sign of democracy. Jeja or monarchs or money now you real questions say war and no peka. Yeah. That's just I say demonstration about maternity. Say you know that we do one commodity. Later no, I come back some California we did in command there. No we say okay now they are going no town going. On my ground, on man take even that 30 minutes crowd and I'm going.
Ewusia nipa yete ne nkan eye Rakisley brobe ya wono etonkrai efri UK abrochimemo ede ema yen yada so ewosikasem enso emunane IMF ansa na ye kwa kopa besia sebe yo sikasem ya toto apie ema oh my God ye pa ye ho aye hu yasene mu no enema nyina begina branam ye sikasem atoto ye na oh my God na de hye nso ho aho keka na timi akoye ni titru no ene edwadie mu no eya ade a IMF ede hyehyeye ema yen na emu baako ene se wonum a Ghana yakobo besia ho dada ama hodo bia ye de wonum ka no ye ne wonum enkasa ne enche mu se bre wo se yetimi editua saka no e wo se wonum twemu kwa ekire kakra na no akwa ye den de ama mpanyifo na so Awurade ayadom ama ye kase ya committee ya wonum epa ya wodi se adwumedie ho entoma na wonum ehwa toto ne ma no wonum ene sankrofo na kasa ama sabre ye kasa de ene manyina ede dada kwan mu yewura Ami Adam wono ene da sansemi so di ede che my Ghana de hye.
So if you are interested in the debt restructuring, which has become Ghana's most difficult problem for the past 2-3 years, we are bringing it to an end. We are bringing the debt restructuring to an end. Last 2 weeks, we concluded negotiation with the official creditors, and we've agreed to restructure $5.1 billion. And I'm telling you, your government is good in negotiation. Of the 5.1 billion, we are going to make a savings of about $2 billion. As I speak to you, tomorrow morning, there will be an announcement that we have also concluded our negotiation with the Eurobond holders, $13.1 billion. And ladies and gentlemen, when we announce it, please read the details. We have negotiated a good deal for Ghana that will save us $8 billion. All this money we will no longer pay. We will have to use it well. And so the president has decided that we will create a special fund like we did with HIPIC, so we can direct these savings to strategic infrastructure projects, so we can take our economy to another level. And wait until the announcement. The confidence in our economy is going to come back stronger, because the world is no longer interested in investing in Ghana because of those debt restructuring. After tomorrow, it will be a different story. Watch the cedi to the dollar after tomorrow. Watch the cedi to the dollar after tomorrow. I know you are interested in that story. Let's watch it and see. The confidence will come. The investors will return to Ghana. And the growth trajectory will even become clearer for all of us. So this election is an election for us to win. The NDC can no longer campaign on the economy. Our record is better than their record. On the size of the economy, we've done better than them. On per capita income, we've done better than them. On job creation,
Abusia Trinity Baptist asafoye no UK ewo na nkasa ho dwumedie we se no ekọ so ntina wote amen so ewo ekire no enti ye ntwen yegusua etwen sene ma nyina betoto ye na Ghana cedi no ene amansen sika no so agina pepepe na bibia timi akoye ni titiu ama ye nuanom adwadifo no Abusia ye nwramo ewo ye wura Indium pa kwasi Indium ono so na kache na 2018 ni mu ena aban ehu se de sika krabia binom dwumedie ne hyadanso ani na enante wo mantwa no eyade okeka bi egu ye na ye wura pa kwasi Indium eyade ono so ne bank bank no ehwo kokaye na enam sayo sasem na kopie mu ewo court ya court no asizi anaso de nsato bank na japade ye wo nyina so ne ye wura Indium na japade bi kura so na so ye wura pa kwasi Indium ababonten de adesrede de ama Bank of Ghana governor ya wono etua no ye wura Addison sa adaroma wo hwa danse ye fifiri mu ba 2019 ni mu ne niema ekoso na wɔbɛsrɛ sɛ nka wɔnhwɛ na wɔagya padeɛ no wɔmfa ma wɔnom na biem nso no wɔmfa wɔn tumi krataa yɛ ano ɔde etimi adi dwuma ɛwɔ bank hɔ no ɛmfa ma wɔnom sɛ bɛyɛ GN Bank ɛbɛsa aba akyerɛ biem na aba bɛdi dwuma na etimi aboa wɔnom osika hyehyɛ mu nyinaa no wɔtimi ato akɔso de ama wɔnom ama bank no ɛtumpɔn akɔ n'anim.
We said we will give these to the organization to shore up its capital. It was all rejected. It was all rejected. And these are the same buildings that the Bank of Ghana's appointed receiver went around her to put locks in the gates, the buildings, and walked away, left them to rot. All of those things still there. So when people ask, so what do you want? All we're saying is recognize that indeed there was more money there than was said to be. There's proof. Recognize the proof. You know, someone has said somewhere that give me new facts and I will change my mind. We have given and continue to give new facts to the Bank of Ghana. All that we're doing is we're asking the governor, Dr. Ennis Addison, to take a look at the new facts, recognize them for what they are, and give us back our license, give us back our assets, make sure that the assets are in good condition, and let's move on. So, even in the reclassified state as savings and loans company, we are prepared to start working. And we know that once all the accounting is done, once all the debts owed, the funds start coming in, everybody will realize that the 305 branch networked GN savings would deserve to become a universal bank, GN Bank again.
Ebusia Tibreke se ene kofari by edema GN savings and loans and GN Bank no ye rapapa kwesi indium ene yekwo ekotie na desre ne nyina no efa amrado ya Ghana sika krabia batan wotua no Dr. Addison so se wonje se be ya ne nyina no ebesa atona kwamu ye ede ama wone na busuafo ene wono ma no wone omu edidwuma ebusia asemi wonte no ye bo omam ne yakoye Charles Nyame ye rapa kwesi indium na GN Bank nkwada ena na wodi hu dwuma nemom fund na safoto bia wo boy ya watu ne di se Gold Coast Fund no ya de no so na wodi edi dwuma ye kwo empanyimfo ho na ye ne wo makotwetwe nkomo ne ye bisa se na this year ya wodi afa GN Bank so de ma empanyimfo yi wonum egidi se ebi ho mframa ebefa wonum ho ana ye wura nya me wadaroma wotie ka wie ya mo wakwa ba amwa ha
Aba lejo so edawase akwenya so kwa odiama Gold Coast Fund Management customers.
Mejidi yes I won ebusuafo ne nyina ho ye.
Ya ho ye pa.
Ya da nyankopon ase. Na yewura indium na desira no ode ama yewura Addison se wonhwe na GN Bank omutumi krata na omagapade ahodo biada. One sign and farmer one more nyina wona so biem. Enti se wo hwa Gold Coast Fund mo so ho from na bi be fa mo ho mo ogide se GN Bank for ensa kan de wo hwehwe ya mo so mo de an mo nsa be kan na se mo so mo de akoka mu yin.
Okay. Na da se ewa akwanya wo de amaye na no kwasem ne se ye no either say Dr. Pakwesindum ne sabeka ne demand that all making from indum government ho and also say ne sanka no and no stop no from say obe ana ye demand ya requested from him the entire kasa say ye university our Gold Coast Fund Management Oma abontin Emma Meka say Gold Coast Fund Management assets be asset sika ye ne de ma Dr. Pakwesindum through the Gold Coast investment, a year 5.1 billion. And can't take good time. Say, Dr. Indum invested just 500 million of that amount in government contractors. And it says, 4.6 billion our Dr. Apakosi no. But how about in government no? Actually, I think say 5.5 billion no. We validate here. Oh, chia. Dr. Indum, actually say, yes, he can move for a can or I have 4.6 billion no. We're placing it into other investment with private entities. It was placed into investment. I just say the money keeps yielding interest. You can't go so yielding interest. And by year catcher and say, yes, cannot buy Nichiano for 6 years now. For Phobia any show, but she can't move like a Siena. I want yield interest. Yeah, all my bontima, all my year who 6 years now interest that was saying I yield. And we say the customers for the year. Now offer payment planner extended to within 90 days. And no farmer betrayka. And it's any sika or Jeffrey a binary soon you make this demand. No, they will the sika one while placing into investment with other private entities and you make this demand. No.
Enti se afena will be at Monka, Wakasano, a dear bed demand na modiama Pakwasindum, na ebresante be na modiama ne se wonshana, Moniama nasa musika one safa mwadiama.
Let us say, said the kind metribium. Demand the Yama Dr. Apakosi say one. Omra Bonjinomi who Sikano plays in with private entities no. Interest was an I for 6 years now. Because per another calculations or they discount our buying. Or just as a cow, the buyer and went to 1.8 billion. No? 6 years now, Sikano about 7.1 billion. And the next say, although the Sikano, Sana or Tona or Ton. And it's 4.6 billion or so. With the same calculations, so they just can't buy one. 4.6 billion 6 years down the line. And also the wet, I saying. And then I never could say flu. On behalf of the water, interest, only agree on the interest on the agreement. And it's offer payment plan. I'm about 6 years accrued interest, no. MIA. Into the demand in no.
Ma yena wase yemfa wonsi ase no bre sefatamu no ye hia bibibie mu ebesa aboera won chena ya de nkyeremu bie wo.
Yes, that's what Quenya can tell you, my.
Ebusia Yiro Charles Nyame odo ya kasama for Edema Gold Coast Fund. One ma won sika ekwakemo no wo mo enkabo mu kuo no e na ye ne no akobo enkomo yi. Ye free sika semu ne mo nramu ewo abanyosemu kakra na ye ramu ewo eye MPP ekuo ni mo. Ye ra Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia eno wayi ni se wonkita Frank emu se we ye obetimi akonkoden ama 2024. Abatu na wie ye no obetimi atem kunimdi abotire no e de esi ni metri so na breaking the 8 no so no etimi abemo e de ama wonom na esan se wo hia tuapa na mu na wabo ni chidom e wona de yo nyina mu ne adwuma hodo nyina mu nte no e ya de nipa be se nwotwe kwa ne nkunu ni dru so e na wondin aba abonten na abrekuma west e ma hyebedwani ma me esho wuso ekofo ni din aba bepie mu bi yesi de wo su esu naniwa eno nte no amanfo bi kan se ma me esa shanka be ya ne ekoba o me ho ne ne nkosiki nchimbesi bi na wakwa lobe ye di brand se be ya ne manyina no ebekoye di ama ofisi oba de ye bo within sebra ne be mampanya be de ekire di anka ya na eye no se o dabi ma me extra se basa wanfa ni de ne obuo ama ye ra Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia eno nto ono de ne de obeka ne se obeso my Ghana de hye nyane titru ene MPP amanyoko ni ma se ye ma Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia ekwan ene ebre na wono akasa nipa wo pese wo boni din no wo mo ni din na entimi mu asebe ya adwuma no enkoye den emfa ma no na etimi aboa wo mo amankunimdie no aye won dia e wa abato na chi.
Absolutely against any active seeking of any such position. It's an appointed position. I think the flag bearer should be left and given the space to decide who he thinks can best partner him in both the elections and in governance, because we are breaking the 8. So people may speculate, but me as Lowusu, I haven't told anybody that I'm interested in any position. If they think, if the flag bearer thinks in his wisdom that I can assist him in this position, why not? I think the flag bearer should be given the space to choose who he thinks can best partner him in this. It would be great if a female is chosen. I mean, I think it's even disrespectful for people to be lobbying as if he can't make. And it would be great if both parties, both of the two main can field female running, and that gives us a shot of having a female vice president. But I'm against this active pushing of personalities in his face.
Mame Esra Owusu Ekufo wano ene eye swafo ya yenkita wudie hu nsem nyina no eda na bem wasa ye mra hyebedwani ede ma adehye ya won mo abrekuma west empesia so ena yetie nwe ye ko yewra alanchremantin yewra alancash wono sene the movement for change o mama nyoko no emu na ababeto dwase yewra akwadwo alanchremantin wo behwe na wone Ghana fo etimi abonkomo enne den sebeya ene manyina so ebetimi akoye ne hyehye mapa ya wowo ede mo my Ghana adehye no watimi atesemu egu ho ede amayen yenkona ye ne yewra Hobson adoye bra ye no no ebo nkomo efadwumedie hui ensemu a wodwiri egu ho ede ma ye no yentie
the transformation plan no akoye se manifesto nse edura batobra tibia de ye friend manifesto of promises oh ye ba be ye we ni ne kaika ala de ne de akọ beyond the promise ye can say policy solution like what the ehihyeya what the be yaduma ama se Ghana ye free pempe so aye we e dia pempe so fofora Ghana for ahụ be hihan wo mo kakra no eno ana ode to ida ene ti yankopọ ya duma eye 2 pm no betete moving peak hotel yentia eye moving peak hotel ni say focus no eye to engage the media more enye fanfare say yes it's a movement for change for akogu ba bi say ne eya na ye previous you know enye sa ana opese oye no eteye ye can say media engagement but it's open obibia opese oba obibia no so no bia nsi kwai obetimapa no ye lunch ade enye yi say ye papa ye questions and answer ye lunch until lunch no ye weni wia adechi anyankopon ya duma ekine kono obe move from radio to radio TV to TV and no question bia wo bia no etimi ebisa no ewo maybe ana meka me say abano Alan Kojo Chairman will be president January 7th. A month for I am no one here. Baboti. The other two first one Obia New Hobe Cross. 50%, you know. Now first two candidates are Omubeko runoff no Alan Kojo Chairman account. They call runoff now. Ghana for to me Ebema Alan Kojo Chairman because Ghana fire fed up or how Omuko we endorse do. Say Alan wo atimu ye wo huni say party samuno emwa of Ghana. Eti sabre no onuba oba be form a government of national unity. A government of national unity no who say the party or you good. So no party we mu no wa na obwa ya obeteke no. Ye won krofo a omo no omo ni party bia omo ye good obetima abo man no. But because it's a one any party dinji no. Ye kon kofa no e ba no ma meboa omai ebasa na Ghana ye nkoye nim descent no or the government of national unity no eba ebema winner takes all no every honum entitemu a eya na eba omai no mu the policy bi ba we chementi ase we se da bi ebebe kisho se go through ni e kaka no sanu mani na etobika
Kasama for Edema Yera Alancash, ne campaign team ne Yera Hobson adoye, ne dear ena yakwa aquacotie no affair quen pipi amanyo koni biem. Kane mebudon for the ma one was Santamantama senom, Yera Dennis Quaqua. Wano edi dom wenim ya one sebeya breaking the 8 nebemo at the ama MPP amanyo koni inteno. One so at a movement for change. Hey, Mumfa Champion is a movement here. One more area no. Aspirant United for Baumia. Aspirant United for Baumia. And no ena yera Dennis Kwakwa. Wodi ani musa wo hwese be ya woma. Yera Baumia ene wonu mekwa kensie. Ya wotime hudi ani mu ene wonu dekita Frank emu. Ede ama MPP amanyoko no. Waka wonu mu nyina abomu se be ya wo be ya krona wo mu ayedu. No akọ enkoden se be ya fie wiye no. Abato no betimi akoye. Ede ama wonu yera Kwakwa ene ye bonkomo efa nsem ye hu.
Aspirant United for Baumia ekwa ejina Obibia from the year 2022. Our purpose of us will do back with so now we're not going now We are from 2022, from previous the electoral constituency elections, regional elections, national elections. Parliamentary presidential elections. So be a Kobe. Nanka Park when I saw the Sompa no. I was no one yakwanyama. Yana, I can't wobble my affair as United for Baunia. And then, okay, ranks here, Mabudinia. You only put over 2,000. Ghana is here and Uncle people from some credit to me, no man, and credit to me. By election, I could but I plan say the Shaban Taco books. So I'm quite over 200,000 now, may I cast an 80% and answer you because the media crowd police station, the electoral commission were about 34. The police stations were Ghana. Police station be a quarter by independent. 85 be a within Columbia, and about 170,000. No person police station executive so many. Many people be no Bamino Kuma Santa, the only election. Party maybe after Apatane Yawa and Crow party in Palm as a community campaign or more. And until a movie that has okay. She had a party, but 2 million Zanka and then one. The real how in your journey be obeyed by constituents to the crown or quite Manoa and Quafor Manoquine. And until I and near my abuse of society, I can have any how and my first and keeper. Election campaign, I say, never and a whole kind of bed. And the show was I what time, and I never know. Cassa. Dr. Mamuto, Melba Santo Region, their campaign. Day 2, book and a Japan campaign, who said, already.
That's right.
And then the San Jose Papa Boteja, San Jose Papa Gigachi, or down a Papa Doctor, I could tell you, or again. People are asking questions. I'm telling you now, for Okofoma, Obia, or Nipo, and San Jose, and
na chese yerua Dennis kwakwa kane mebru don frefo de men pipi amanyo qualify no one santimanta masenum no na ene anopei omahene yaw edubuache your man in the morning what's not say ewo eye ade ache bia dwumedie so ofidue mu asenum no na woni yerua twetwe kwa no chese wo mo ko predi brebia no se ne mrahye bedwam de ewo MPP dimu se ne police station constituency executive say ya regional bibia ukọ ya wentimi na bia watiate anjen no eno na wo mo say aspirant united for Baumia wonom ka bomu no mo so etimi akonkode sebe obeka sa ni panyina no etimi asabomu biem amankonimdie aye wonom edia ye ko enfifi mantem na eye twifo bonsa ho eye kuro kuma bia no ben twifo atemota atwemokwa mensin no emu Chifo atimokwa mensinimu ena kuroyi ewo arahosem bi esi ho ama kwada wono afe na wo ya ewura ne mpanyin fie mu eya ade a wokofa emprewanyin na okwowo ye no akwada no ne nan nyina ama asemia ya arahosem ama manfo tretre won sawa akwada yi so ama wo kansem won ne defa ne ho eno ena akwada no ne yama ne boni ya wo fifi mantemu erikanai abonkomo ena wo kyese ya mpanyinfo taka sembi senka yi fede no wo de fanyinam wom ti no enka wo kuma kola no so akune ho bi na nka asam krampo de na asam kona so no na wofo adaroma ena wonom krokro na tunifo awojai sa ne ma nti no ba bi o wo sabrend ne memu oden e de ma no e wa wo baako a wokwo ye no ho wone yama ne boni erikanan atwetwe nkomo
ntomo mame eda membra nti omo hye me da membra nti omo ka se branda nke branda ya no chairman de branda na nka membra nti na me ka se nti do omo ka na se anka me ba me mpa nipa obeka me ho metwe moja ewa no oni moja befa omo ntwena nkomo fensim so mo operation ka se me ba na aboabo no ho ni dia ho na si nti omo ka akra ma me tin so bebi na si nti ya ba ya no endu ba ya 4 days grana no way awo kan ende me wo ha na ese me nkofa adugo ni ise me abaya me sisu me woda na problem we accident sino ha esunku na misu se wa na ese me nkofa adugo ana me ya kwa ni pobi
Ewusia eyare hosem ko Facebook no so akwada no efiri ne to ni nyina no ama eno na kyese eye ne se won kofa edro enwu eye adobia akwada afi na wasi so a okofa emprewanyin sen ene wokwa awo so a saa we se akakoto no ekwan mu enam sayo so adobia papa opanyin Emmanuel Late so e de adesrede ato ekuoku anim ene ankrenkra ya wonum ta ya doye se ba bi edu ne de ene memu ye den de ama wonum ti womra won srabam se be ya akwana pomuden ho nsem no ebetimi agire ye e de ama no
na aye mwa pi se akwala wezi sufufula wa wuta akwala ba mkatira akwala no se mama na abamu ba ne na se ne ba ya no ba kan se akwa aluwe di uhu bi da nti se no dia wo ne dia ka achi amumu wa obeja na kwan mama nyina ene abadwumafo doctorfo asolofo nyina mbeye mwa fintimsha akwala ndachi that's
Ebusia yekọ ensemfo from na napco ehwo ena yakwa kodro aban no efa won adwuma se wonye se beya ene enwanam kakra bi wo aboso so apani na ketua eya na esefata ne ntine watimi di ama wonom na won so asetene ne mu no watimi akonkan ewomu na Europe Dr. Bamud Baumia wono so ena chesese adwumadie we se no wakopa ho entoma na bosha hodo ya wode ma wonom nyina no ene napco trainee fo no se wabuso eno nti ba bi edu ne de ne amamu ayede asetene mu ayede de ama wonum ti no wakoto asire Dr. Mamuba Womia se wono akasa ne bosha ya wo hye no wonni so na enema nyina so no entotoye enfama wonum yenko enkotie kwan ye fa so a Frankwansa wono ye trefo edema eye napko wonum a omude omuhye mu no wonka bom ko no ne Sompa kase edwetwe nkoma wa dansem edi kyereye
2nd June, the Vice President, Dr. Baumia, echo water region. Now, one of the chiefs say, the Benobutia Napopo areas in Amayen. Now, Osha say, because of Russia-Ukraine war, and into my Indian sky, the Indian areas. Now, Osha say he's going to engage the NAPCO, or he's going to engage the Minister of Finance so that he arrests Robotsma then each year. Now, since all class assembly, it almost 1 month, about 1 month, that is why I have released this statement to remind him saying, Zika can be on and this idea in the coming days, we are going to organize ourselves and organize a massive demonstration against him and his government.
Frankwansa Secretary Edema Coalition of NAPCO trainees no ena yekọ ekotie no nabusia yebewramu ewo kejetia na kejetia adwadifo no omu ne wompanyimfo no aka kire so nya asem ketwa na so ansa na no yenkope mizo free drink ene 5G meza ne bi emo bofisi emni mu awe na yankase anuabe no ene echinchi mu so kama yede agu atuo mu ayeboa so kama pomde wom na enuane no so ahye ne ma no te no wonom ahoden chapo ebeye wodia yesra wo se ya jibi na bra wo kwakwaye ye anasa wo fredom amomabo odwumedie biase no wo hia bi se wo de be serve wonom na enimonyam no so akọ ede ama wo mo amoto drinks ni na ye kanfo ede ama mo bo mo de afre eye manager ya wo manage drinks was 0246 270 0246 270 so na Dr. Silas wonyo so energy drink papa 5G meza eno so nya bi ebetimi aboa ama wasori prim ewo wa hoden mu na 21st clinic the sciatica expert for ena ye ka for wonum ede ama wo se wo sisi achintini yes alfa to asetisi usire mu na afa wanantu akosi wo 19 ho no eya na etwe ye wo ya etutu eto da bia ojo ho aya na enje wanhwe ye kurapo a wo de no na eka wato mesrawo ba mo de to mnikafo ni chemu ahwe overseas Safa radio nchewo anase 15 branches aye biebie e wo man mafa na nyina nekọ na wonsa ayade no anase yare no wonsa enfama ebie mo wosamu na temachie bia bam brebo ho how hepatitis no so de ne A B C D ana E no obetu ase e de ama typhoid ulcer yade ben na ha wo awo kra na obehwe no ama ba e de ato na so bretie bi fo ni echire mu efise fidie kuku dam ena wode eye hwehwemu no ho ba bia ade ne hye ede eye dro no aka no eto ase de amount ebusia bomode wo ma no ne frɛ won sesie 0540 311 311 0540 311 311 through Eba Center for say yan kan cho se koko ne ya na edi wonye ha dwen enam so wani so nyina yo kusukuku ade ben wa wo hu e wa kire krampo dia bobo otokwa no ene bia sisi wo ba wa na mu nyina no kokwe agye ho ede aboso eya na wanya 3A cold capsules koko master ya 3 Eba Center for dia bedwaman so no ebetimi abo papa paye ama koko no etuni nyina se ede afri ni pedua ni mu ebia wo de no eyesisi ya de brefo bi ena aba besoa wo so eye 3A cold capsules koko master wo bo ne bongalata koto baby ama won so ahoto etimi ayewo dia na de atwa to okrampo na 3 cold capsules eye edi hu dwuma so no eye ayemtim ya de ayemti yade ha adwen wanhwe ye diti yade bi ebeba besoa wo so ama ye korankora woje ho baby a enje 3A cold capsules koko master eye sisi yade dro eye koko dro eye ayemtim dro meso awono mu a emfa wo yem ntino baby a pese okobia no ubetimi akọ woma no eye 0546 107 107 0546 107 107 upendo do mo to apidank Misty Heba Dani Heba ene kolnak watwa sheta ewo ho cloud internet se wo pe internet ye be kontem ubenya hoda so ewo mama bibia so agina so ye di ama wo emponi se wo sheto krom mpona ubenya internet na na ye cloud internet bomodi a wudwumedie biara bia wudie wohia se ba be ye installment di ama wo a eno ekwan eda ho wombo no eda form CCTV cameras installation so no eya de a wo ye wachira kwan no e wo top high one Love FM no dan ya wo wom no ene di enhwani mu ebusia fra 10244 601933 yenyina asenum ne yentwa ye homra tew ye ba nsem no dodo na ena aka ekira ye de bedan mu
21st clinic aye sciatica expert sciatica no o nerves na wo to ase na fa wo siremu na fa wo nasia besi ase ho no se ho techema eno ene ye fa ne sciatica na etimi bubu o to ase ka wo se dwe wo sirem wo je ho ba bi a enye na no na 21st clinic ba ye adwuma pa wo mu ye ntia baso bo ma je ne wo Ghana ha ene amono ne enya asem ketewa Womuji international awards ahodo womuji local awards ahodo na anu nso na womu be the only sciatica research and treatment center in Africa bibrim hano ebi ni baby a gise 21st clinic nkoa womu de bibiduro ene besa o yare no masa de machine aka ho eya yare sabia yare bia wutimi de ko ne mama de ba ko a woma gidi womu pa no eye sciatica ena stroke nso de kwa diabetes ne hypertension ne ade ne ade Ghana ha baby a womu ho 0540 311 311 0540 311 311 That's a 21st clinic. Woman is sciatica expert.
Introducing Mixer 5G Sparkling Drink, a whole new refreshment in a can. Mixer 5G is a tasty non-alcoholic drink. It is a perfect companion for all your events, including parties, weddings, and funerals. It is made with green tea, ginseng, guarana, grapes, and grapefruit. Get refreshed with Mixer 5G Sparkling Drink. For bulk purchases, contact 0246 270 221. This advert is FDA approved.
Brakasa ye duabon waso a ne dwumedi wo nipadua biara pom den ene na brabo mu ne hienye pa enye brakasa nko nuaba ne nhaban bi te se ko nsusu a abonwono ne dia akeka ho no kura enwanunu ahodo a ekọ animu yi ankasa brakasa ne sa nuaba yi binom ne akeka bobudi afa abefo kwan so a ye de aye brakasa powder brakasa powder siesi nipadua na ba kwa ahodo no ho ban afri mpani yade ne yade ahodo pi ho fa enkodate de ma ba ko freduane anopa ne anwumre anafa enkodate de ma ba ko woni sushie yeti anopani anwumre wobra wodidi awie ubenya brakasa powder to Kingswalk Heba ne Heroes Heba Accra Okesi Drug Lane Dani Heba Kumasi Mensa Takrade Mose Pharmacy ne Greenlight Pharmacy Sunwane Cash and Carry Supermarket Asantoa Heba ne Bibidro Depot Techiman Sewa Heba Mampong etufo mfre 0550 19 15 14 brakasa powder aduane san yedro FD ahwehwe sankratu mu agiatum
TV, Emma Aketuapa.
Emma Aketuapa, Yamamomo, NHN, Sompa Television, Sunie, Sompa 93.1 FM, was Santimantem Kropo Kumasimo, Sompa 98.9, Ewa Brumantem Kropo Sunyanimo, and a Sompa 90.7, and so a Bunapoya Mantem and Kranza, and a one Subutua, Water Cassier, and the Amadisha, Wachichi, and the Pinchaya Amawansa, Etimia Cambie. Yeah, kwake jetia na edwadifo a wo no wonom ne wo mpanyimfo e de aboani e wo biaye bia wo mususu sempanyimfo tonton e de ama enkrofo yenko yanwuma da yese yete e de firi ni wura no na edwadifo wo munsem enkyeremu ya wo kyeremu e de man sentrefo no yentie bi
radio station, TV station, TV station. Happy people, you're not from the world, we're going to have a we won't need the power. Yapa go come to mama power, no more Italian me. Yapa some of my Ajuma and an answer to my Italian me. Munya Tonya, no more to my papa, mama mine. Munya Tonya. Namunya juma papa mama mine. Nana poku. Sana ma media overcome yet.
About you how far you use here. And he said, your friend what be an opportunity. Was it or yes, operations manager. When I'm KJT and a space beer that will be a autumn tondi. Nasa in an apple. What can you see? When your bear man tell Obia or KJT has it. And go for the four. Sheni ye anya kwara na omudia ana de anya abre ye ka tram ne sasa police station ye ti amaya ma adwen se mo de ma manfo atra so anya ajuba ne anya ajuma kina na de so o bema no on face ye anya kwala sa o ba de bodi ka akoye mo nkwati asem no ena ahabu timi fa mo timi sem no nkwati asem no ama ha me tram se some for liver crowd onye sa nkwati ajuma we wona mo so ba ko university amawie yen kobi asunya said dey trim e chen say dey ye bibu oman so na akufo do say o bebe na so obu man na so be sa santeman dia ono so be tele bobo le bobo ba mayire wo wa asase a fako bobo no montraso na ye wo central market ya de uni asase no onya apata wa ha so ko so bo tra ba bibia o high store na fo bobo ya de aso ya kanyina ne say omo ba no omo nweyi na moja do ifami jabu ama champucha mensa abram yeah
Abrampa ne ebefe na mensa abrampa ba kunsu wo fi ha senum omani den rough abusia sekejeti adwadifo ne bi no ani abrese krodomo a wo kasasa no afeye remu ewa mahye bedwane de ma de hye ye one of tongue about ompesua so yewura Samuel okujeto ablakwa na wono so e de atudwa se nanse wo he Dr. Kingsley anase Kingsford Adams penyin kwantrefo ya Parks and Gardens wo tue anono ne nsem bia ode beto dwa se wono mu a ankrankra wono so e de empuntuo ebe kro imo musisi adan wono ye yempudunuma hodo no wo mu eye wono prido ne aban asase ya ne ya gene abo awuramu aban krampo bangros ahodo so ane ye jeje no wase wo mu enhwe ye pa ba bia kone de ano edinti yewura ablakwa akyerem se empanyifo enhwe na yempe ne pomasi brese be ya dache no entimi enha omeyi.
This has to stop. There are some state assets that you just don't go near. It's been preserved since 1952. Why should we lose Parks and Gardens? Why should we lose our green belt? Why should we lose our horticultural zone? It's the only one left in the capital. Why should we lose it? We have this, our side of parliament has discussed a motion which we will be filing shortly in the next few days, a motion demanding a full-scale parliamentary inquiry into the blatant state capture that is ongoing. We will haul everybody, those who are selling and then those who are buying, those who are fronting for all kinds of characters, hiding behind the scenes thinking that they will get away, all of them. And we would demand that it should be a live broadcast, a public hearing, so that all Ghanaians will see what is going on.
Parks and Gardens, Omonsa, Sahudo, ya, Ankrenkre, nipa bi a wono so yempuntudwuma wo memombo remono na yera Samuel okujeto ablakwa wo kasa de fa won senye ba bia na yedidi ko wano wase den kura no ma woni di mfa ntwe so ntino ensase ada ho mfie petepepe ya ye bo ho ba ye reserve no eni kwan se wo pini ho kura na nkapese wakase wo kwa akwaje e de free abansem ebusia ye kanfo abe heba clinic e de amount tano so apatrapa mami nimuno na enro so enimono yankase ha menro ya na wode esa yade ewo ho eno ti bema ya wo bema no mesro atwe akomo yade enti no ema wo kompem a wontimi mo adwuma fibroid no ha wo ba wo fo yekutu enti no ama esi awo no ho kwan entimi ema meka se twe yade na ha wo anase bia twu bia anase bibi na chese ha wo bibi ha wo ewo apomde ho nsam ho de fo di kire mo ewo tano so apatapa new site ho na ma me heti abe wontimi entu ase emfama Wamadia friend is 0243 345392 0243 345392 na mame abe wanya osabusia yeda ye rasanti ye boa Benedicta se waye semufo panyi kokwa veronica jando ahofedua ene tafide na chichinchim ni from mama mo sekru chensem ni bi ede gunkrata so mesese Japan akosua so mo aso dala no wano so eboa ye mame ya Grace Adepa ene hwe ye etwa ye fa ye social media handles ne so no e ma buzi the caption my videos ni nyina ne nsaso de namo a wutimi ehwe ye na yewra David ase TVMC a hono wonom ene boa ye one ekobaja se sempremo ne prince mo ena ehhehye senior technician na ya mo so eboa news kriya wa Sompa 93.1 kase dem Sompa 98.9 kase dem sunyane ene Sompa 90.7 kase dem fo nyina apamda da ne dom ye da wonom asebusia midi de ohenire maame ekua yeboa asiama bronya obetimi aframa brewati awie